Dear students, welcome to intellectis.com. This is only an online platform to provide you the best content for your preparation of UPSC and state civil services exams. We are going to discuss in this class the current affairs. As you know that we have started a current affairs weekly in which I'll provide you the entire last week's content as well as discussion, evaluation and the possible questions on those issues which are considered to be most important for the UPSC exam. So today we are going to start the current affairs. In my 15 years of career of teaching, there were several questions asked by me related with the issue that how we can prepare for current affairs. And perhaps this is the question of each and every student. So I would like to tell you that in current affairs section, you have to be very precise, and how you can be very precise is a matter of conscience. You can be precise only then when you know what not to study and what to study. So, first of all, what not to study is the very important question. Today in my class you will learn also what not to study and what to study. See, the answer of these two questions can be easily understood only with the knowledge of the syllabus. What we have to do, we have to see what is the syllabus given by UPSC for your preparation and exam. For example, in the last 5 to 6 days current news, we have got a lot of issues and some of them are very important, and I'm just going to discuss with you the issues related with Indian culture, art and heritage. How you can guess it, is it related with the art and culture or not? So I think that every student know that what is our culture means and the heritage. And when it comes to culture and heritage, what we get to know that we have a lot of heritage and we are a multicultural country in this world. So here we will start with this section which is related with the art and culture and heritage. And in this segment we have the news of Indian heritage sites rewarded by UNESCO. Recently, UNESCO has awarded several awards to heritage sites of India, but not only India. There are some heritage sites which are Australians, Chinese, Bhutanese. They all have been awarded by the UNESCO with the award given to India. So, this award has been given by the UNESCO's wing, which is known as UNESCO Asia Pacific Heritage Awards. UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards. Before discussing which sites have been awarded by UNESCO, I would like to tell you something related with Asia Pacific Awards of UNESCO. Why this is important? As you know that UPSC usually do not ask the very straight question. Only the sites can be asked, but there is the possibility that other informations related with that award or that body which has awarded the sites might be asked. So, UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards were started in 2000. Since then, these awards are being given not to any particular country or the government. Actually, Asia Pacific Awards by UNESCO are being given for what purpose? So, the purpose is to motivate, purpose or objective. Purpose or objective is to motivate the protection of cultural heritage, to motivate the protection of cultural heritage. Now, if these awards are not being given to the governments, then to whom these awards are being awarded? So, now the UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards with this purpose are given to whom? Are awarded, being awarded to whom? The next question. So these are awarded to individual organizations under private sector or institutional organizations. So these awards are given to individual organizations. Under whom? Under private sector. Remember it, not under public sector. Individual organizations under private sector and are also given to institutional organizations. Institutional organizations. So now you have the purpose and now you also have to whom these awards are being given. The function recently was held in Malaysia to award some heritage sites of the world. So there were three categories of the awards. Categories of the awards. Now the next point is categories of awards. So there were three categories. The first one is award of distinction. The second one is award of merit. And the third one is our honorable mention. Honorable mention. So there were three categories. Now the awards given under these categories. So under the award of this award of distinction, the Vikram Sarabhai Library. Vikram Sarabhai Library, where it is situated in Ahmedabad, of which institute this library is. So I am Ahmedabad. IIM Ahmedabad has a Vikram Sarabhai Library, which was awarded as the Distinction Heritage Site of India. For what purpose this award was given? For the protection and conservation of the site. Secondly, the award of merit. Award of merit. This award was given to our Glory of Lady Church, Mumbai. Our Glory of Lady Church, Mumbai. Not only this, but one more site was awarded, which is known as Knesset Eliyahu Knesset Eliyahu Synagogue. This is also in Mumbai, India. So these two heritage sites were awarded as award of merit. The third award, honorable mention. Honorable mention was awarded to Flora Fountain, Mumbai. Honorable mention award was awarded to Flora Fountain, Mumbai. This is also in Mumbai, India. Now, UPSC may ask, may not ask. All these heritage sites of India, and if UPSC asks these sites of India, then it is also not necessary that only these sites of India will be asked. UPSC may ask other sites of other countries as they all have been awarded by UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards. Therefore, we must know other sites of other countries which were awarded with the heritage sites of India. So, as we were discussing award of distinction, so award of distinction was also given to Chinese, Bhutanese and New Zealand's heritage sites. So, award of distinction was also given to a site of Bhutan, was also given to a site of China, not Bhutan, I'm sorry, Keyuan Garden. Keyuan Garden, China. Another site which is known as Nelson School of Music, Nelson School of Music, located at Nelson, New Zealand. Located at Nelson, New Zealand. So, you must know these other two sites of award of distinction which were awarded with Indian side. Now, award of merit was also given to other countries. Award of merit. The other sites of other countries are Seto Goenpa, also known as Paro of Bhutan. Another site is Goe Bridge, China. Another site, Littleton, Time Ball Station. Littleton Time Ball Station, Christchurch, New Zealand. It is also in New Zealand. Thereafter, honorable mention was also given to other sites of the world. Honorable mention. Honorable mention was also given to Westpac Long Gallery. Westpac Long Gallery of China. No, Westpac Long Gallery, it is not, I'm sorry, it is not in China, it is in Australia, Sydney, Australia. Sydney, Australia. Thereafter, the 5S classroom, the 5S classroom. 5S classroom, also in Australia, Kew. Thereafter, Lidl Brothers Packaging, Lidl Brothers Packaging Plant, China. You can see this name, Lidl Brothers Packaging Plant, China. It is completely a private body, and others are also related with either institutional organizations or individual organizations. So, the UNESCO Asia Pacific Awards, which awarded 4 sites of India, are very important, as well as there is some importance of other sites also. Now, UPSC does one more thing. UPSC asks some previous year's data also. So what happens here? We have to know the previous year's, means 2018 awards also. So last year, last year, the Lamo Center in 2018, Lamo Center of Ladakh, Lamo Center Ladakh was awarded by the UNESCO. Similarly, it was awarded to the Rajabai Clock Tower, Rajabai Clock Tower, Rajabai Clock Tower, and University of Mumbai Library Building, and University of Mumbai Library Building. And the another award was given to Ratansi Mulji Jetha Fountain. Ratansi Mulji Jetha Foundation. It is also in Mumbai. So, if you will be having all these knowledge, all these facts in your mind, then you can bet that in prelims related with this Asia Pacific Award of UNESCO, you can deal with them easily. You will be confident. So, this is related with the India's heritage, and you have in your syllabus culture and heritage. Now, one more very important issue, which was famous also, and in 2018 got a very broader recognition as well as the very broad acceptance throughout the India, which is Shirui Lily Festival of Manipur. So the another important cultural issue is Shirui Lily Festival, where it was and it is in Manipur. Why this festival? The reason is that through this festival, the government of Manipur has to serve a very specific purpose. And the purpose is to develop and implement sustainable and responsible tourism in Manipur. To develop and implement sustainable and responsible tourism. So, in short, you can say that promotion of tourism is the purpose of this festival. Now, why this Shirui lily and what it is? So, Shirui lily is a flower. It is a flower. Why it has been recognized so important? The reason. First of all, it grows at the highest level, 8,500 feet above sea level. And the festival is being held at Ukhrul district of Manipur. Ukhrul district of Manipur. Ukhrul district is the district of Manipur. Is the district of Manipur which is located at the highest peak of Manipur. And this is, due to that reason, it is also a hill station of Manipur. So, obviously, the tourists will go to visit the hill station. So, when they are going to Ukhrul to visit that hill station and to enjoy their holidays, they are being provided several entertaining and culturally rich knowledge of the Manipur. Now, what it is not enough information about this festival. Why? Why this Shirui lily was recognized by the state? So again, a reason is not only that it grows at the 8,500 feet height peak. It is not only the reason. The another reason is that this flower was recognized as the flower of state Manipur state. Similarly, another reason is also, it is endangered species also. Endangered species. So these are the reason why the Shirui Lily festival was held in 2018 also, and in 2019 it is also being held. So this is also an issue related with the heritage and culture of India. In 2018, the Shirui Lily festival was very successful. And one more thing, one more information, you might love that. Shirui Lily is also known as Siroi Lily. Other names are Siroi Lily or Lilium. It is also known as Lilium or the Siroi Lily. Color of this flower is pinkish, light pink, pinkish color, and very rare lily, rare. That's why the government of Manipur is also trying to conserve and preserve this Shirui Lily flower. This is all about Shirui Lily festival. But as we go Manipur, so we should know some other informations related with, at least related with that district where this festival is being conducted. So the Ukhrul district, so habitant of the Ukhrul district, we know that in Manipur there are several tribal community. So in Ukhrul district there are 2-3 tribal communities also. The Tanghul Nagas, Naga. They are considered the oldest tribal community of Manipur. Oldest tribal community of Manipur. There are also Kukis. There are also Angamis, and these are also tribal communities. So you can see that if these tribals are being asked, so it is not only due to the geographical knowledge, but it is due to the issue that there was a current news or there is a current news. That's why if UPSC will ask, then UPSC will ask. And we will think that this very unique information was not written in geography study material or was not given in geography class. So that is another issue. Because it is in current news, that's why UPSC may ask. So in this class, it is all about Indian heritage. In the next class, we will meet. Till then, learn, enjoy and subscribe this Intellect IS channel. Thank you.